Hey guys, today I got this package from the mail. I ordered the Lego Invisible Jet and the Wonder Woman for $17.98. It was on clearance. So let me unbox it and see what it looks like. And here it is. And here's Wonder Woman. Comes with her sword. Here is Wonder Woman, the new 52 one. And she looks very awesome. I like the details on her. And she has a one face on the back. She's angry. And next, we have the Invisible Jet, which I gotta build it. So, like my video, comment, and subscribe. So thanks for watching. Bye. See you later.